back to my channel. If you're new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Now y'all, I'm so excited. Yesterday was me and Bay's anniversary and we're actually going to celebrate this weekend. Today we're going to Ellijay, Georgia to stay the weekend in a cabin and we're really excited. I actually just went grocery shopping because we decided that we're just going to cook together the whole time. So like today we're going to do like barbecue foods, and then in the morning we're going to have like a country breakfast with ham and eggs and buttermilk biscuits and stuff like that. And then for dinner, the last night we're going to do surf and turf with steak and lobster tail, and I got some asparagus and macaroni and cheese to go with it. So I'm so excited. And I also went on Etsy and purchased a handmade like the canvas thing where it's like already drawn out and you just have to basically like shade it in. So we're gonna have like a sip and paint night, and so I'm really excited. The cabin looks amazing. It has a hot tub, it has a fire pit for roasting marshmallows, it's spacious. We're really excited because this is gonna be like our second getaway of the year, and that is crazy because both of us are travelers. We like going on vacation, but with COVID we haven't been able to do that. So I definitely wanted to document this trip.